Stay facing me. I'm going to just lift the heels off the floor. So really massage the feet into the floor. Well done. I'll face you now, so keeping doing the same thing. Try and make sure your knees are tracking forward, so you're not sort of taking them across the body or out to the side. Well done. Go a bit faster. Again, your choice if you want to keep it smaller, but the toes stay on the ground. The jogger's walk. Surprising how much hard work this can be. Arms in front. And to the side. Let's take a heel in front. So again, stay facing me. Well done. Really pulling those toes up. Back to that jogger's walk. Pulling the tummy in, keep that head tall. Do what feels right with the arms. I'm just gently bending them, sort of mini bicep curl. Let's do toe taps in front. So it's toes this time, point the toe. Really point that toe out in front. Maybe you can point with your finger as well. Do what feels right with the arms. The higher you lift them, the more likely you are to be working the back of your arms. Feel that in the back of the arms too. Well done. Last 4 count, then we're going back to the jogger's walk. Are you ready? Well done. Pulling that belly in. Make sure you've got plenty of room behind you. We're going to keep those feet moving. Arm comes over. Just the one arm. I'm just doing the one because I know if I get too close to my wall, I'm going to bash my hand. So you need to turn until you can do that nicely. Circling back, change arms. If you need to make the feet go half time, please do. It's quite hard. If that's too much, you could always take it to shoulders. But we're going to alternate the shoulders. And we're going to half time with the knees. Circle, circle, circle. Catch your breath. Well done. Ready for heels out in front. Stay facing me. Really pull those toes up towards your body. Do what feels right with the arms. Relax shoulders. Toe taps. Point. Well done. Side steps. Well done. So just be aware of how your ankles feel. Make it as big or as small as you want. So you might want to make it bigger. Let's take the foot across this time, in front, tap across. If that doesn't work for your balance, just make it slightly in front, but if you can, take it all the way across. Back to normal side step. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. So you're probably on the opposite leg to me now. I tried to switch, but it doesn't always work. So trying to touch the opposite heel, but if that doesn't work, then just take it a little toe tap behind. You're really feeling it in your bum. I'm touching my heel behind. Turning to the side slightly. Come back center to face me. Change to the other side. If that gets too much, just take it to a little toe tap. Back center. Foot across. Maybe a little bit of a shake. You can stand on one leg, flick the legs softly across, or touch the toe in front. Whatever feels right for you, for your body. It's your workout. Take it back to a side step. Well done. Shifting across to your left, so slightly bigger, slightly smaller. Are you ready? We're going to make it 2 steps in a moment. 2 steps. And back. Well done. Little shuffle there to get on the beat. Hold it here. Singles. Double. Single. Well done. Double. Single. Single. Well done. Just change that slightly. When we get to the end, you're going to come forward for forward and back, 2. 2 forward, 2 back. To the side for 2. 2 forward, 2 back. 2 to the other side, 2 forward, 2. 2. Singles forward, singles back, double. Singles forward, well done. Particularly well done if I haven't confused you yet. Well done, just shake it. Marching right, left. Try to keep those feet nice and light. Right, left. Right, left, right, left. Anytime it feels too much, leave the arms out and make the moves smaller. If you want to make it hard, lift those knees a little bit higher. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Stay facing me, please. It'll be easier for you. So we're going to take that to half time with a little bit of a tap. So tap, tap. And again. Well done. Back to normal marching. Well done. And that tap, the tap. The arms out to the side, little bicep curls. Well, as I said at the beginning, if it's too much, please leave out the arms, do what feels right. Normal side marching, just let the arms swing comfortably, shoulders relax, head lifted, really lengthen the back of the neck. Those half-time toe taps, side arms. March on the spot, arms in front this time. Try and touch the shoulders, reach away about shoulder height. If that doesn't work for you, do what feels right, leave the arms out. You've got to work at your own level. If you want to make it harder, you could take the arms up as well. I'm going to take it somewhere in the middle. Ready for those half time with the side bicep arms. Are you ready? Well done. March, arms out in front. Or up if you prefer. Well done, just keep moving. More important you keep moving than follow me exactly. Well done. Catch the beat, right, left, right, left. So do what feels right for you in this. We're going to march quite wide in this routine, so just check that it feels right for you. Take it wide. So wide might be here, or it might be here. Might be lifting the knees nice and high. Make it right for you. I'm going to stay somewhere in the middle. Feet back in. Doesn't look very, it looks very ungainly, this one. Take it wide. Feet into the centre. Well done. Too wide to in, so it goes out, out, in. Make it as wide or as small as you want. So it could be really wide. Add the arms if you can. Don't worry if you can't. Or just make it a small movement. Work with what feels right with your ankles. Marching in. And take it wide. Or wider. Whatever is right for you. 2 in, 2 out. In and wide. Hold it in. Take it wide. Let's do 2 each side. So tap and step, tap and step. Well done. If it doesn't work for you, if you can't quite get what I'm doing, make it up. As long as your body's comfortable and you're moving, it's all good. Well done. Marching in. Wide. Two in, 2 out. In. Well done. We're going to start to cool the body down now. So just slowly lifting the heels. Well done. If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. Really massaging the feet into the floor. Well done. Stay facing me, it makes it a lot easier. Catch your breath. Really want to get that heart rate down now. Down. We're going to touching out to the side. And so it's slow. You're challenging your balance here slightly. But you can put weight on that foot, you can make it small, or you can almost float the foot just above the mat, the floor. I'm about to change and we're going to take that foot in front. Forward, lift, forward. Now, if you can't lift it, just take it forward, bend, forward, and lift, forward. Doesn't have to be very high. Really challenging your balance here. If you need to hold something, please do. Must be a chair, sofa, for me the wall. Let's take it here, back to the jogger's walk slow. Circle your shoulders back. Stay facing me again. I want your feet about hip width apart. So it's not really wide. We're going to take the right foot back. Hold it back. Push the heel down. Now adjust the front. Your knee should be above the ankle. And you might find you're here in order to get that heel down. You might find it all the way back here. Go with what works for you. Reaching forward and back. Hold it here, push that heel down. Relax your lower back. Lean on the leg if you need to. If you're struggling with your balance, take the legs a bit wider. Well done. I'm going to turn again so you can see a little bit better what's going on. Watch you've not let that heel drop in. The feet should both be pointing forward. Have a quick check, both feet pointing in the same direction. Come forward, left leg back. And in. Well done. Hold it back. Push that heel down. And adjust. Knees above the ankle at the front. You need to be able to balance. Hold it down and stretch. Well done, just hold that stretch. Watch that back foot's pointing forward. And hold.